Galis!
Hi, Gemini! So, this is your quick oracle reading. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Burnham Park. So, your celestial deity is Eros. Yun. Alam mo yung point na bakit mo kailangan pigilan yung sarili mo to say what you really want to say. Huwag mong pahirapan. Kung talagang kailangan mong sabihin natin na durugin yung tao para lang matuto siya by telling the truth, gawin mo. Kasi ikaw lang nahihirapan, eh, tapos andoon na biglang magkukuwento ka sa iba, ay maglalabas ka ng mga feelings mo to the wrong people. It's time that you direct that to the proper individual. Kasi there is a passage, I think Proverbs 27:9 yata. Correct me if I'm wrong. Sabi daw ni King Solomon, open rebuke is better than hidden love. If you really love a person, andoon mas piliin mo siyang masaktan kasi nagsabi ka ng totoo kaysa nagiging masaya siya sa sinungaling. I hope nakatulong yung reading and I'll see you on our next video.